Welcome back. This is the part where we're going to talk about paint and body. And everything has been leading up to this, prepping for this. And it's interesting, I'm not really a professional body man, but I've decided to do all the body work and all the painting right here in my shop in Paso Robles. I'm going to have to paint it outside, obviously, because I don't want to paint it up inside of here. But I did have some body work experience. When I was between the ages of 16 and 20, I worked at a body shop part-time. My friend Lauren Coaten owned it, and he taught me how to paint, he taught me how to do body work. And like I said, I'm not perfect at it, but that's what we're going to do. So the first step you're going to see here is we're going to take the body outside, we're going to sandblast it, we're going to epoxy primer it, then we're going to block it all out and work on sanding it, and then two-part paint, so a base coat and a clear coat. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're getting ready to sandblast the cab. Get all that paint off of it. I stripped down all the parts that aren't welded down. That's what the inside's looking like. And here's a portable sandblast. One of the things I have to do is fill in these holes here on both sides because that's where the old bumper connected to the original frame, and I'm connecting in here somewhere. So what I've done is I've made these pieces with a bend in them so I can keep this seam up top, and that's just going to fit tightly in there. Something like that, and I'll tack that in and weld it in. I won't weld it up here because I want to keep that seam. So there it is, tacked in place, and now I'll weld it all off. And there it is, all welded off. Should be able to smooth that over with some filler and get that looking perfect. So with these two front holes patched up, I'm just going to do a walk around on the body. Nothing, no damage at all, you know, high up. A lot of these FCs had damage on the front corner. This has been pounded out a little bit. This part here I'm going to cut out. It's not rusted, it's just been trying to pull it out. Back corners, little bit of rust right there and right there. It's from the sandblast reveal. And then just right on the other right back corner, nothing on the rounded part, which is good. Just a little bit right there. So to make the rounded parts for the back corners, I just use this sandbag. And you know, I don't have a lot of fancy metalworking tools. I've got, you know, my brake here, and I've got a over there I've got a bead machine, some other things, but this works good. I'm able to get, you know, the curvature I need, and it does it pretty good for this. And I'm going to cut out, I've marked where I'm going to cut out a couple of things, and I'm just going to match it and weld it in. So each section was cut out, and then I've made a piece. Actually, I made the piece first and then cut the section out so that that piece fits perfectly in. I'm going to tack that in. When I cut this piece out, a whole nest of mice fell out of there. So it's a good thing we got that out, because that just would have been a rust problem in the future. So I'll just take you on a little tour of the welding on the corners. There was a hole up here, welded those up. Here's the driver's side corner, rough body work. There's that deep dent that we just cut out, put a patch over. This is the corner where we made the rounded part, and there's the flat part. And then the other corner, amazingly, the round area is completely rust free, and there was one little rust hole right there, and nothing on the other front right corner. So little patch there, and I'm ready to start filling it. Okay, here's a little tour of the body work. This is all on bare metal, getting ready for primer. Basically every lower corner, like most of the FCs, have some work, but basically this is a very, I don't know, very clean body in my opinion. So I'm getting ready to do the full primer on it.
So you can see the low spots here and there, and we'll just keep going as long as we've got primer. And if we don't have enough to get it out, we're real close, so we'll just have to put another coat of primer on.
Awesome. There it is, sealed up. Feels good to have it all protected. Tightens everything up quite a bit. So I replaced the expanded metal with this louver panel that I had made. I'm holding it in with stainless steel button cells, and there's the threaded inserts on the back side of it, so it can unbolt. This is where the air cleaner intake is going to be, and these are all the louvers for cooling.